So I don't know about you, but I despise the normal ratchet straps. They're just not fun to deal with. They're always getting tangled up. Something's not working right. I could admit there's probably some user error in that. I'll admit that. But I don't know. They always get thrown in the shed. They get lost. Something happens to them. Whatever. So finally, I just went online. I came across this company called Juggernaut Designs, and they have the ultimate retractable ratchet strap. I love that. A selling point for sure was that it just bolts on to the truck. I have a 2020 Ram 1500 Bighorn. They have a bunch of different models for whatever make you have. But yeah, I like that it's gonna live there on my truck, ready to go whenever I need it. But also, I mean, you can't beat that. The installation should be pretty easy. It comes with everything you need, obviously. The only thing I did have to pick up was a 3/16 hex key. I just got a pack of, maybe there might be 7 of them in the pack. They're like $20, but good thing to have around. Yeah, let's get this installed. All right, so first steps, we're gonna take the main ratchet strap part and this bracket and pop it on like that. You can have it going this way, or you flip it around and have it this way. It's all personal preference. I'm gonna have it this way, so this part is facing inward. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna place it like that. The next part, it's a little tricky. So you get this part right here, right? And this is gonna feed through here and through here. For this application with my truck, this is just the option that you can have. Different trucks will have actual bolt-in sections that you can just, bolt it in. But for my application, this is just what we got. So place this back on, and we're gonna feed this through and kind of hold it there. And then we have our bolts, the 3/16, and try to feed that in. I got it. Once you get the first one started, it kind of stays in place. So we're gonna thread that through. So essentially, I mean, that's it. You're just gonna wanna tighten these down. Not too tight on one side and then the other, just to kind of get things started, and that way it's also even. Kind of just go back and forth, snugging those down. Again, you don't want to over tighten anything. I mean, you'd really have to go hard at it to strip anything, but you just, pretty snug. Because I mean, it's a ratchet strap. You're using it to keep stuff in. So if it's not tight, that's not good. So yeah, that's all done. This moves up and down like this, swivels. I mean, it's got some good clearance. I mean, obviously if you put things down, we're all done. Oh, you gotta love that. Now that I got this all installed, I'm going to install the other one. We are all done with the installation of the ultimate retractable ratchet straps from Juggernaut Designs. Pretty awesome. They're not Crocs. Pretty sick. I love that. Oh yeah, gotta love that. That was pretty cool. Hell yeah. Highly recommend these. Pretty affordable. Everything that you need to know will be in the description, links, all that. And yeah, thanks for watching.